Rolling deep in English, dive into the meaning. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to unwrap the layers of the popular English phrase, rolling deep. It's a phrase that pops up in songs, conversations, and even in literature. So if you've been curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Rolling deep isn't about rolling in any physical sense. It's a metaphorical phrase that has its roots in urban slang. To roll deep means to have strong support, usually from friends or associates. Think of it as having a powerful entourage or a big group of friends that has your back. This phrase can trace its usage back to urban communities, and it has been popularized through music and pop culture. When someone says they're rolling deep, they're not only talking about numbers but also about loyalty and solidarity. It's about having a dependable squad that you can count on in any situation. Let's see rolling deep in action. When we go to the concert, we'll be rolling deep with my cousins. You don't want to mess with her. She rolls deep with some influential people. In both examples, rolling deep conveys the idea of being accompanied by a supportive and significant group. And there you have it. Rolling deep is all about the strength in numbers and loyalty among friends. We hope this dive into the phrase helps you understand and use it confidently in your English conversations. Keep rolling deep with your learning, and we'll see you in the next video.